Arrington up here. And today we're doing a part 2. Sorry. There was something stuck in my throat. And today we're doing a part 2. And if you didn't see part 1, go ahead and check it out because we made slime. And let's see if this video can get to 150 likes. And go subscribe to Carter's channel. The link will be in the description below. And
yeah, let's see.
So let's add some borax to ours. Okay, add some to Carter's. Now.
Okay.
Okay, so I just stirred up all the borax. We forgot to show them our slime.
Oh, well, this is my slime.
Yeah, this is it after the borax. And I think mine's ready to take.
Mine looks like brain.
Mine's ready to take it out.
Doesn't it look like brain?
Oh, yeah. Mine's ready to get taken out.
Yeah, no, not mine. Borax, please.
Can I set this here?
Oh, yeah. Okay, now mine's ready. If you didn't know, slime gets really sticky if you have warm hands.
Oh, okay, Carter. Can you help me a little bit?
I can't.
Okay. Can you put this somewhere? Like.
Oh no.
I can't get it. Okay, so here's my slime.
My slime's right here.
My slime? Listen to the clicking. It's really good at clicking. Since we have borax, these slimes are going to turn more into a putty slime. So yeah.
Oh, I did not know that. Learn something new each day.
I'm really good at slime. So, oh, Carter, you dropped some slime on your shorts there.
Good thing it doesn't.
And you have to be very careful with the borax because make sure you get permission to get the borax.
Yes.
Like I said in the part 2, no, in the part 1 maybe. No, I don't know, but make sure to.
If you're wondering why we're doing this, it's because, well, if you're in your head asking yourself, do they have parents' permission? Yes, we do.
Yeah.
We do. She's like this. Oh. I was gonna say slime.
Oh yeah, that's your stuff that you put in there. I forgot all about that.
It's not.
So we tried to take this, and we added borax before, so our slime was already a little like slime because we tried to take.
I'll be back, Hope.
What are you going to do? Okay. I don't know what he's going to do, but sitting in his chair right now. This is his gaming chair, and it's really comfortable. I just pushed it up. So,
I'm back.
this is my slime. This is my slime.
My chair.
Oh, I forgot to talk to them pretty much. Forgot to talk to them. But comment down down below what other slimes I should make and what other videos I should do.
Hold on, no.
This is my
I'll be back.
putty slime. Okay, could you get your chair out of my face, please? And I'll be back. That really quick. Okay, and I'm back soon. Very soon he'll be back. And yeah, he's back. And I know he's not leaving because he's very trustworthy to you guys. So he's very trustworthy. Ooh, look at that. Can I play with your slime and you play with mine?
Yours is.
Ooh, yours is really good. Look at mine.
Mine is like a simple one. Yours is like a lot.
Yeah. Yours? Like, let's see if you leave it in your hands. Does it get sticky?
Probably. Yeah, probably.
Yeah. So in that case, you're going to need like a tiny bit more borax. There's just this some on the desk. So, I love yours. That is really nice. His is more of like a real slime. Mine's, well, I mean, his is like a putty too, but since he made a smaller slime, he used less borax, and I made a bigger one. So mine's more like a putty slime, and his is more of like a real slime. Comment down below which one do you like better. My slime, actually. And if you like both guys,
make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe and be in the slime squad. I'm in the slime squad, and you guys should be too.
and like, ooh, got. Can I try to make a bubble with yours, Carter? Can I try to make bubbles?
How's this already 7 minutes?
I don't know, but okay, I'm going to be making a bubble with Carter's slime.
Because mine's cool and nice.
Because his is like, oh, that was the old one. But his is better to make slime with because it's not putty slime. And you can't really make putty slime.
I did it all on my own. Guys,
Stop it.
soon I'll make a prank video once I get my device. Gig with that.
Oh, really? A
Woo!
prank? Well, I'll be watching my back then. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a like.
We got some.
I've done that before, so you learned it from me. Bye.
Bye.